In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export a budget in Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to Accounts and Budget. Then from here, you need to select which budget you want to export. And let's just say I want to export this one in particular. Then from here, you need to go up to this burger over here right beside View Budget versus Actual, and then you can click Export Budget. Then from here you'll have these few options. You can either export it as a PDF, XLSX or Microsoft Excel, or XLS, which is Microsoft Excel from 1997 to 2004, which is a comparable file. You could also down here password protect your file if you want to do that, but when you're done with clicking on these, you need to click Export. And as you can see up here, the budget summary will be up here downloaded for you. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!